Hi you guys, this is Tanya and I'm back again with some more informative videos for your personal and business financial health. I know it's been a while since I posted some new videos, so shout out to my cousin who threatened to unsubscribe if I didn't upload some more videos. So everyone say, hey, cousin Kelron in the comments. So today this video is going to be about how to get your DUNS number, and then following that one I'm going to upload one on how to get your EIN number. So we'll get started with this one on how to get your DUNS number, which is really easy. It'll take you all of 2 minutes to do this. Your DUNS number is the number that you want to acquire in order to start building business credit. It's different from your EIN number. Your EIN number is just a tax election that's given to you by the IRS to identify what tax bracket that you fall in, and you also needed to open up a bank account. But if you want to build credit, you need your DUNS number. Your DUNS number is like your social security number of your business. So it's important if you want to start building business credit to acquire your DUNS number, along with a few other things that I'll mention while we go through the video. But just to get started, we're going to go ahead and go to dnb.com, and that's Dun & Bradstreet. And Dun & Bradstreet is just a company that reports your credit information. They also sell products and stuff just like Equifax and Experian would do. They're gonna, try and sell you stuff as well, but it's up to you if you want to purchase business credit monitoring or business credit reports monthly or whatever. But the free one comes with a credit monitoring. They call it Credit Signal, I believe. But basically what it does is it will send you an email whenever there's new information on your credit report to let you know that, okay, hey, there's been changes to your business credit file. And at that point you can go and check out the alert and, if you choose, purchase, whatever you like. So to get started, you just go to DUNS number and then click on get a DUNS number. So you're going to hover over DUNS number, click get a DUNS number. Okay, so once you're on this page, you're going to just basically say why you're getting the credit, you're requesting your DUNS number, and just simply say I have a US based business. Unless you're an Apple developer, you will select that, or I'm a US government contractor. So for this video, we're just going to select I have a US based business. After that, you're going to fill out the information. So we're going to make up a company here. Blue Shop, I guess, will work. Blue Shop LLC, 122 Apple Drive in Austin, Texas. So after you fill in that information, basically this is just going to search and see if this company already exists, and if so, if it already has a DUNS number. So Blue Shop does not exist, so then you'll click on get a new DUNS number. After that, it's going to bring you to this page. This is what I was talking to you guys about. They're going to try and sell you things like, which may be beneficial to your company if you want to monitor certain aspects of your company. But I just basically, I have the DUNS number and the Credit Signal, and I get alerts whenever there's a change to my DUNS number, my credit score, basically, my business credit score. Or if something negative reports, or if something positive goes on there, I'll get an alert. So this one works for me, but choose whatever works for you. And then you click get started under whichever package you choose, and then that's all there is to it. You fill in your business information here. It's good to put as much information as possible. If you have a business email, your business website, because when you go to acquire credit, the more that the lender can find out about your company, the better chances you have of getting approved. So whatever information you have about your company is best to put it here. Even your social media sites, which are good as well, because we live in the social media age right now. So if you have these things, that's fine. If not, it's totally fine, as long as you're in the system, and you can always go back and update later. So after you fill out this form, You just hit next. Next is just going to ask for the phone number or whatever, but I'm not going to fill out all of this information. But basically you would just fill this information in, and it takes about 30 days for you to get your number, but usually it's a lot sooner. So you'll get an email whenever they've created your unique number for your company and let you know that your number is available. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, FYI, you can also call Dun & Bradstreet and request a DUNS number as well. You can call the 800 number, well, it's the 844 number at the bottom of the screen. It's 844-675-2674. Again, that's 844-675-2674, and you can request a DUNS number over the phone.